Rastafari. Yeah, man. I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Was you lonely? Now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, Lord will keep us alive. Don't you worry, stardust, you just gotta let it ride. The world is changing right before your eyes. Yeah. Now I found you. There's no more emptiness inside.
Dito tayo galing, sir. Opening niya. Ayaw nga, no. Saan tayo sa kabila? Ito ba yung maganda lang?
Keep us alive.
Sir, lipat tayo.
I would die for you. Climb the highest mountain. Baby, there's nothing I want to do. Yeah. Now I found you, but there's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, Lord will keep us alive. I would die for you. Climb the highest
Parang
mountain.
pinuntahan mo na to before.
Oh, baby.
Using kayak lang, no?